Greetings, Nokwasai Mesepano Papita's Passion. Today I have with me here my beautiful daughter, Atida Ishe. Atida Ishe, how are you?
I'm good.
Say how are you to the people?
Hi.
All right. So my little girl here wants to go to Zimbabwe, so I'm about to show her the beautiful food of Zimbabwe. So you like food in Zimbabwe?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Right. So you know what is this?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Uh-huh.
You like it?
Uh-huh.
You see this one? You know this one?
Mm-hmm.
What is it?
Banh
There's sausage, there's kebabs, there's I think beef here.
and tomato.
Yes, I see tomato there, and this is maize or corn, they call it corn. Yeah,
This one's like snakes.
it's like snakes. It's a sausage.
Yeah.
You know this one?
Snakes.
What is this?
A cake.
Yeah, it's a cake, but it's a village one. Oh, so this is what we used to eat in Zimbabwe. It's called chimodo. You like chimodo?
Yeah.
What is this? You don't like this one?
Uh-huh.
It's called crawfish.
Mm.
Yeah, I don't like it either. These are the things of the city life.
But it's the food.
Yeah, it's a food. People eat it.
Don't eat it.
You don't want to eat it.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Sit nice. So you say you don't want to eat this one?
But my tongue is gonna
It's gonna bite your tongue.
Uh-huh.
No, this one is dead. You know this one.
This is not a food.
What is it?
A chicken.
Yeah, but when you cook it, it becomes what? Food, eh?
What is this in the corner?
Which one? This one, they are both chickens. It's a female chicken and a male chicken. A cock and a hen.
Yes.
A rooster.
This
one is a rooster. You know the big one is a rooster, that one.
I did just say that.
Mm.
The animal was color ill.
Okay. You know what this one is?
Potato and
Yes, but this one is like a city. Yeah, potato, and it's sweet potatoes and veggies. But this one is a city life one. I don't like the city life. So I want to teach you the village one.
Also I want to eat this one.
You want to eat this one?
But it's nice.
Okay, let's see this one here.
Okay. What?
What is this?
Nyama.
It's fish and what?
And
Potato. Yummy. You like this one?
It's like a bee.
It's not a bee, it's honey. But it's made by bees.
But it's sweet.
Very, very sweet.
But it's healthy food.
Healthy food or healthy. I don't know what you are saying here.
Healthy food.
Healthy food. Okay.
Mama said that.
Yeah, it is very nice. You know this one?
What
do you mean, This is what I grew up eating with my grandmother. It's a peanut butter with veggies. You don't know peanut butter?
I don't like it. I don't like it.
You don't like it? But we're gonna go back to the village. We're gonna be eating this one.
No. I don't want.
Nah.
Mm.
So you like this one? Are you crazy? Are you serious? candy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Auntie, this is not nice.
Yes, it is.
It's not healthy. It's not a healthy food because sweet stuff, you know. So you like this one?
But my stomach's not so.
Okay.
Hmm?
What about this one?
I want the big one.
Big one.
Mm-hmm.
Let me show you. You see this one? This is what I grew up eating. So
But-
this is mukaka also, milk, sour milk. Wakakodzekwa. My grandmother used to make this one for us. It was nice.
But it's making like cake.
Yeah, something like that, but not really. Yeah, maybe when you say cream, the cake cream, yeah, I'll agree with you.
But it's white.
Yeah, it is white. What's this one?
It's
Sweet potato.
sweet potato.
This is another different kind of potato.
Potato.
Yeah.
Potatoes. But potatoes gonna be yellow.
Round. Yellow.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, this one is not yellow.
Yes,
Okay, what color is that one?
maybe pink. And yellow. I
You're
can see
saying
yellow
maybe.
there.
You're saying maybe. Okay. Yeah, there's yellow there. It's not lelo, it's yellow. You said how old are you?
Yellow.
I said how old are you?
4 years.
4 years.
4 years.
Okay.
But I like chocolate cake, and somewhere blow my cake
Okay, wait. Wait.
with
You know this one?
maybe nyama and salsa and
Yeah, nyama and sadza. This is my guru beef
kudu.
tripe. Yeah, it's very nice. You should taste it.
Me, I eat it yesterday.
No, is it?
Yes,
You're lying. Where?
but Mama gave me.
Oh, okay.
Hmm?
What's that?
A fish again?
Yeah, another fish. But this one is prepared in a different way.
But your grandpa take it by the water.
Yeah, yeah. There's a grandpa who catches from the ocean there.
And then there's a baby shark there.
What's this one? Yeah, the baby shark is there. But we don't eat the baby shark. What is this one? Little bee honey. It's honey in a container.
It's again.
So this one I don't like it.
This one I like it. Like a bee.
Little bee honey. It's made by bees. It's not bee, but it's called honey. And it's made by bees, right?
Me, I'm gonna eat that and then put it bee honey.
Look at the city chicken.
That's like red, but not white.
Oh, where is red? The chicken is white. Only the head is kind of like red. Don't you see?
But who painted?
Who painted what? The chicken. It looks fake, no?
And the nails, it's so like 3. And the nails
How many nails does the chicken have?
3.
Okay.
But we don't have 5. We have 5.
What's that now?
Chicken nuggets?
KFC.
Mm.
KFC. You call it KFC. Daddy, I want KFC, but this is KFC.
It's KFC, yeah.
I don't know what they call it.
But I want it.
You like KFC? Okay. You know this one?
What is that?
This is sushi.
Sushi.
Yeah, you like it?
But I can see carrots.
Yeah, there are carrots there and some pepper, onion, and I don't know what the other things are, but me, I don't like it. It's expensive and it's not nice.
But I want to eat it.
Okay. We'll get it one day.
I want all of them.
All of them.
Coconuts.
Not coconut, this one.
Hmm.
This one is called mauyu.
Called Mario.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I eat it.
You eat it.
Uh-huh.
We're gonna get it in Zimbabwe. There's a lot of them there in Zimbabwe.
And then must eat it.
Yes. You know this one?
This is like orange, like
No. It's wakwa.
kwakwa.
Wakwa. Or makwakwa. Say makwakwa.
Makwakwa.
Yeah. Ipka.
Mm.
You know ipka?
Ukwa.
Ipka.
Ukwa. Ukwa.
We're gonna eat ipka when we go back to the village, ne?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Get ready to eat these ones. Okay?
Mm-hmm. And
You know this one?
maybe it's maybe it's
It's what?
I don't know what
It's
it is.
doorway, matowe.
Madowe.
Matowe, yeah. Or
Madowe.
some people call it
It's like Madowe.
no, not madowe. It's doorway. Some people call it African chewing gum. You know the bubble gum? But this one is from the tree one. So they call it African chewing gum.
But it's like a star.
Yeah, it's like a star because, yeah, you're right. I see 5-point stars there.
Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, it's 5 stars. You know this one?
It's like sweet.
This one is Nengeni.
Mangeni.
Yeah, Nengeni is kind of like sweet and sour at the same time. But yeah, we grew up eating these ones and they are so nice. You must visit Zimbabwe together and then you eat these ones. Yeah?
But it's all a 3.
Mm-hmm.
It's all a 3.
Yeah, it's only 3. But you see, there are many there. Like here, there is many.
My grandpa's gonna eat it, but it's no 5.
You know, oh, you have a grandpa.
Uh-huh.
Where's your grandpa?
And my grandpa and my grandpa.
You don't know where your grandpa is.
This is your grandpa. This is the mommy grandpa.
Let's go to the next one.
Maybe coconuts. Blueberries.
This one is called Tsubvo.
Makudzo.
Tsubvo.
I don't
That's
know.
nice, this one.
But
And this one,
grapes.
it's called
That's like blueberries.
blueberries.
Uh-huh.
This one is called Nunguru.
Maguru.
Nunguru.
Maguru.
Atida.
I don't know.
Atida. Listen to me. I said no. Nguru.
Maguru.
Yeah.
I don't know to talk.
Okay, you learn because you are going to the village soon. This one. You don't know it. You're too young for this one to know this one.
Uh-huh.
It's called
Who's holding it?
somebody. I don't know.
It's grandpa.
You are talking about someone who's holding it. We're talking about a name here. Who is this? What is this one?
Grandpa.
No. It's Tsubu. Sorry. It's Shuma.
Shuma.
Yeah, Shuma.
Shuma.
Yeah. And now you know how to call this one. Eh?
Mm-hmm.
Now we back to what?
Again?
Honey. Okay,
Honey.
let's skip it. What is this one?
This is like porridge.
Porridge.
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
This is peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Don't you see peanuts there?
Peanuts.
Yeah. What about this one?
Blueberries. It's blueberries.
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 Okay. Yeah,
Blueberries.
this one is still tsubu. It's tsubu again. And this?
Rice?
So you know rice. You don't know these things I've been showing you. You city girls.
It's rice and my veggies.
Yeah, there are some veggies in there.
And carrots.
Yeah, everything is in there.
I can see now. Mm, mm, mm,
What?
mm.
What is this?
Pizza.
You like pizza? Actually, is it nice, man? You're gonna fall there.
But it's nice.
It's nice.
But there's nyama, a lot of nyama.
There's a lot of nyama, yeah.
And what is this in the pizza?
It's nyama, you said. You know this one.
This is makunzu. Maybe makunzu.
Makunzu. What is that?
Makunzu.
It's ni.
Ni.
Yes, ni. Just ni. Say ni.
Ni.
Yes, good. You can pronounce better. What is this one?
It's like a bigger.
Yeah, it's Gatsby.
Gatsby like big.
Yeah, the big one.
Not the giant one.
Yeah. What?
I'm back.
What is this one? Maca. Macaro.
Macaroni and cheese.
Yes, this one you know most.
I eat it like white.
What about this one?
I eat burger and nyama.
Yeah, the whole thing is called burger. So
and my veggies. And what is this?
That must be a tomato or yeah.
No,
Tomato and onion.
Oh.
Yeah. And cheese.
Cheese.
Okay, leave that one.
I want it.
I don't know you city girls. You always like city things.
But
your papa is from the village. I don't like these things. You know, your daddy don't like cakes.
I want cake.
You want cake?
It's like it. I like it. Pineapple?
Not pineapple, it's pear.
Pear.
Yeah.
This I eat it.
You eat it, yeah. What is this?
What? Coconuts?
Mango.
Mango.
You always Atila.
Huh?
You only saw those green ones. You didn't see these ones, eh? What is this?
It's like a mango.
No, it's not. It's ni.
Ni.
Yeah, fresh one. Not those ones I showed you was dry, but this one is just fresh from the tree.
But it's like mango.
Yeah, something like that. It's tiny, it's small.
Small.
Yeah. Ooh.
Little fish again.
What is this?
Maybe nyama.
Nyama. It's chicken. Roadrunner. Umlekwa. Eh?
Where's the chicken's face?
Chicken's head is not there. Somebody throw it to a dog. A dog is busy eating the chicken's head.
Oh.
Okay.
No, it's so cool.
No, I'm kidding. I'm lying. Okay, let's go to the next one.
What? My berries.
This is me also in the tree now. Oh, this used to be so nice.
This is like mango again.
No, it's small things.
Yeah, it's like mango again.
No. Okay,
yes.
Let's go to the next one.
It's a corn.
And she what?
Baggy.
She what?
Baggy.
Hey, you know, you like chibage like your daddy.
Corn.
You like chibage like your daddy.
Mini corn, like a corn like this.
Yeah. That one is unicorn. But this one is corn or chibage or what? What else?
I don't know. A cow. Where's the cow?
This one is called what?
A goat.
A coach cat.
A goat cat. But is
I don't know how to pronounce it. You tell me, what is it called?
Goat. It's a goat.
Okay, let's just say it's a cat and leave it like that. It's a cat.
Why is the goat he come to this by the
Chibage.
buggy again?
Again, yes. What is this one?
My veggies again?
My veggie. You don't like my veggie, no?
Broccoli is not. I don't like it.
That's not broccoli. That's my veggie.
And
like,
where's strawberry and coconuts and banana?
You see, when we go back home, we're gonna be growing a lot of this one, and I like it. It's nice.
And strawberry and tomato.
What is this?
Tomato light.
Nice tomatoes. Chibage again. You like chibage? Why are you saying?
But I can see flowers.
Ooh, Yana.
Yana.
No, I'm not saying. I'm saying chibage again. It's a roasted one.
The roasted one.
Chakagochwa mchishona. Chakagochwa. Say chakagochwa.
Makosha.
Chakagochwa.
Me, I eat this one.
You like it?
Okay.
Okay.
But I want to eat the fire one.
Yeah, but for you for me to buy it for you, you must say chakagochwa.
Yeah, but
Say chakagochwa. Say chakagochwa.
Makocha.
Chakagochwa.
Machakagochwa.
Yes, that's good.
And then I'm gonna eat this one. The fire one.
Okay.
It's
What is this? This is my pudzi.
My pudzi.
Mm-hmm.
My pudzi.
That's another chicken. I'm telling you, your KFC and everything that you like about chicken will not come near this one. This one is so nice. Don't bite your nails.
But it's open. It's open there.
Leave it. Let's focus here, man. Let's talk here. What do you see there?
Look.
Okay, I'm gonna fix it. Don't worry. What do you see?
This is my chicken. My chicken again.
This is
like broccoli.
Mushrooms.
Mushrooms like green like broccoli.
This is nanga.
Mananga.
Mananga, yes. You know this one.
Again.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato. Chickens.
Chicken, yes. And this is a hut, a house. It's a hut.
But where's the animal to talk like a chicken?
No, there's no animal that talks like a chicken. That one you see in cartoons is fake.
But
no, this one.
But I can see kangaroo.
Kangaroo is all that animals that talks you see is not real.
Then
what is this one? What is this one? Okra.
Okra.
Yes.
But kangaroo like a cookie John like a song like at school.
Okay.
And
this one is mango. Let's focus.
Focus.
I said mango.
Mango.
Yeah.
Mango.
Yeah, you like mango?
We are gonna cut it all too, like no good to share.
This one is my what?
My what?
Mana what?
My what?
Mananga.
Mananga. Oops. Magunzu?
Zungu.
Gunzu. Oh. Gunju.
I said zungu.
Zungu.
Yes.
Zungu.
Yes.
Zungu, no? Zungu.
What is this one?
This one again like green.
Nzimbe.
Madzimbe.
Nzimbe.
Madzimbe.
I didn't say madzimbe. I said nzimbe.
Jimbe. Jimbe.
Okay, it's fine. I hear you.
What? Who hold it?
Chibage.
Was you hold it?
Okay. Bage is nice, Chibage.
Bage.
This
is like
Zungu.
Zungu again?
Yes, Zungu again. Chibage and Mapudzi. Say Chibage and Mapudzi.
Mabage and Mapudzi.
Yes.
Me, I don't like Pudzi.
You don't like Pudzi?
Also you?
I like it. It's nice.
Mm.
It's nice.
But I want yellow corn.
There's,
What?
There's yellow corn and sweet potato.
Sweet potato again.
Yeah. Ooh.
Another one.
You said you wanted the one on the fire. Where is it?
I want the yellow one, not the fire. Not the fire. I want the yellow one.
Okay, we're gonna take it. Gonna go to Slovo and buy it.
It's yes.
Ooh.
Mm,
What is it? Chibage and what?
Coffee and baggy.
Tea, yes.
This is coffee.
Okay, you win.
Yeah. Healthy food. Like green.
Yes, healthy food. You know, who's teaching you all this healthy food stuff?
But where's watermelon? It's like a chicken.
It's like chicken. It's not like a chicken, but it's a chicken.
Like this.
This one is not wearing clothes, this one.
But
This is the KFC that you eat.
what? This is you joking.
I'm serious. This is KFC.
No, it's KFC, like chicken.
Yes, this is the chicken they killed by KFC.
Chicken and banana, banana.
Man, you are always out of topic. Let's get back to the story. This is KFC. Okay.
No,
Look at this one.
Sada like circle.
Sada. It's not circle. It's sphere.
Feel.
Sphere.
Feel.
Sphere.
Feel. I don't know.
I still have a lot. Yeah, I still have a lot of work with you. It's hot, yeah. Ooh. Look at this guy.
He's drinking some milk.
Yes, you know very well. We're gonna be doing this very soon in back home.
Where's your grandpa?
No, this was me.
You.
It's me.
You. Where's you? You drinking it.
Yes. It's not me.
But your hairs look like the ankle.
The hair. It's a village people's hair. You know, when you are in the village, you look like this.
Okay. And something else?
But it's not me. Let's look for something else. What is this?
It's time to put it there.
What is this? Chips.
Like this.
Chips and some tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce. It's
And
like...
what is this one? What is this one? It's called matamba.
It's like lollipops.
It's called matamba.
It's called matamba. It's what?
Uchi.
Uchi?
Yes. Honey.
Honey.
Oh, we finished. We're done. We're done.
Oh, you done almost.
We are done. So what are we gonna do next time? We're gonna come up with another video, ne?
But where's some you can do banana. You forgot banana.
Yes, banana. Yes, I forgot banana. What else?
Coconut.
Coconut. Yes. What else? Okay, let's talk back to people now.
Okay.
Say thank you so much for watching the video.
Thank you so much for watching the videos.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
If you want to watch more videos of me and Daddy. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your time. I've had a beautiful moment here with my little girl, Atidaishe. Thank you so much. We'll see you again in the next video. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Give them a kiss. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Well done. Yeah? It's our second video together, so you are doing well so far. Yeah.
But you don't have a game.
Okay, we're gonna do a game next time. All right. Goodbye, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.